Hi, everyone. My name is Regina. I am an online enrollment advisor here at St. Bonaventure University, and I oversee school counseling and mental health counseling programs online. And in this video today, I'm going to review some key points about our program. And also, I just want to welcome you to our open house. We're so happy to have you here. And we're also really excited to offer this virtual open house for you today. So please keep in mind that as you're browsing through and learning more, as you develop those questions, please type those in the chat box because myself and Kristen are here to answer those questions for you in real time. So we are here with you today. So we look forward to seeing those come over. Now, one of the first things I want to talk about is accreditation. It's a really important piece. We are fully CACREP accredited, that is CACREP. So we are fully CACREP and we're also regionally accredited by Middle States Commission on Higher Education. We're also founded in 1858, which is another great fact about us, and we promote the Catholic Franciscan education, which reflects on valuing human relationships. We value the relationships amongst our work, and we also value building our relationships and support of our students. We're also a 60 credit hour program. And we have some great rankings and other fun facts too. We are ranked number two, best value program by US News and World Report. We have a 95% pass rate on school counseling exams and a 98% first time pass rate on your clinical mental health counseling exams. And we're also an asynchronous program. This is really important. Those of you that have big families and you want the online experience, or you're working full time, this is an asynchronous program, so this means it's convenient for our students. There are no set login times with our program. You log in when it's convenient for you. Another thing I want to talk about is the length of our program. Now, this program can be completed in at least 2.5 years, but we plan it for 2.5 to 3. That is much easier explained over the phone. So if you make an appointment with myself or Kristen, we will definitely learn more about your background and learn what you're looking for and what your needs are. And we'll explain how that 2.5 to 3 year works for you. I don't want to forget to talk about another key thing for us, which is a residency requirement. We do have a residency requirement to visit campus for 3 days and 2 nights. Now, that happens twice in the program, and they're a year apart. And we have our first one coming up here in June. Some of you guys might be wondering what's going on with the COVID-19 pandemic situation and how we're handling that. And we are happy to say that we're offering a virtual residency for those students. So we're very excited about that. But we do have these two visits that are 3 days and 2 nights a year apart in the program. And as of this summer, we will be offering that virtual residency. Very excited about that piece. We also have a big support team, you guys, and that starts with your placement team. You know, when you're in the program, you're going to meet the placement team, and they're going to help assist you in setting up your internships and your practicums. Is a huge piece to have as a support system in the program. You're really going to enjoy that, but you're also going to enjoy the fact that when you call us and you talk to us, you're going to get the same person on the phone every single time. So that starts with myself as an enrollment advisor. The enrollment advisor is here to help you get started with your application, get you to a faculty interview, get you accepted to the program, and then we set you up for your welcome calls with your online student success coach, Sylvia. She's a key point and a key contact person for you in the program. She's your number one point of contact as the online student, and she is that liaison between your online experience and campus. You're also going to have your academic advisors, your faculty, but we also have Jill and Rochelle, who are your financial aid officers here at St. Bonaventure, and Frank Morales, who is your military tuition assistant guide. So we have a big support team here to help you guys out, from placement, enrollment advisors, student success teams. We're here to help. So if you guys have any questions, remember, please type those in the chat box. We're so excited to talk more to you and learn more about you. And don't forget to make an appointment with us as well. And thank you guys for being here. I look forward to chatting with you guys more today in live chat. Thank you guys.